Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's video again is a monthly BOXYCHARM unboxing and try on. I wanted to go over the products that I received in my box, as well as I've tried them on to kind of give my thoughts about if they are worth the price or not. And for those of you that aren't sure what BOXYCHARM is, it is a monthly subscription box where you receive 5 to 6 full-size products for $21. There are high-end makeup brands in there such as Tarte and Ofra and etc. So, I mean, it's definitely worth the $21. I will add a link in the description box to their website if you're interested in signing up for this subscription box. So again, if you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up, as well as please subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into this. The theme this month was road tripping, and you did receive 5 full-size products. You received an eyeshadow palette, a mascara, a blush, an eyebrow cream, and then a skincare item. So the one item that I did put on ahead of time, I didn't do it on camera, was the Dr. Brandt Needles No More, No More Baggage. Now this says it's an eye depuffing gel, and I thought it was really cool because it actually comes out kind of like salmon colored, so it'll actually help with the purple circles under your eyes as well. Now I only put it on this eye, and I don't really know if I can tell if there's a difference once I applied my makeup. I don't know if this is something that you maybe have to continue to use for a few days and then you'll see results, but I mean, as far as an initial application goes, I didn't really see a difference, although it did kind of conceal a little bit of the purple underneath my eyes. So this retails for $42 itself. And Dr. Brandt does really have great skincare, so I'll try this out a little bit more and then I'll let you guys know, if it's worth maybe looking into to purchase it. So the first item that I did want to try was the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Now I'm more of an eyebrow pencil girl, so for this was kind of new for me, but it does come with the brush on one end. I went in slowly and kind of built up and sculpted my brows. Now, they're not as full looking as I normally like to have them, but I felt that it was kind of getting a little bit dark, the shade itself. So I would definitely suggest kind of going in with a light hand and slowly building it up to the, the shade and the shape that you want for your brows. And this eyebrow cream, it does retail for $26. Now again, I've never used anything from this brand, but I didn't think it was a horrible eyebrow cream. I'm just used to a pencil, so it's something that I definitely would have to get used to. The next item in the box that I tried on was the Note Blush, and it's in the shade Desert Rose. Now I thought this was really beautiful packaging. It does come with a mirror, and also it's stamped with the name of the company as well, which I thought was really cool. So this shade is more of kind of like a coral, and I would definitely say go in with a light hand, because I went in too heavy at first and it was hard to kind of back it off and blend it in. So this is a very highly pigmented product, so you want to be very, very light with it. So this item does retail for $11.99, so it's nice that they do kind of also put, a more affordable product in there. So if you do want to purchase another one down the line, you're not spending, $40 to $45 for each product that you had in your box. So kind of like a big controversy this month was the fact that you either got a Crown eyeshadow palette or you received the Tarte setting mist. So I thankfully got the Crown eyeshadow palette. I really, really wanted to try this out. I just thought the colors in it were beautiful. A lot of warm tones, and there's mattes as well as metallic shades. So to complete the eye look that I have today, I started off with the lightest shade, which is kind of like that cream shade, and basically put it all over the lid as kind of like my base to set myself up for the darker shades. Then I went into the shade right next to that, which is kind of like a warm tone brown, and I used that as my first transition shade. And then I went into the shade under that, which is a deeper burnt orange, to also use as a transition to help deepen up that crease. And then all over the lid, I used the metallic pink. And then I went back in with that cream shade to highlight underneath of my brows. And the last item was from Wander Beauty. It is the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Now this is the first time I've ever used a mascara actually in a tube, so that was kind of weird to me, but I'm going to say that this is kind of the only product that I was like, meh. I mean, I had probably 4 coats on my lashes, and I didn't put on fake lashes just to kind of show that there wasn't, at least for me, I couldn't really build it up. I have horrible lashes to begin with, so I need something that will really volumize and lengthen them. Otherwise, I do always put on false lashes. So for me, this was kind of like, I'll keep using it to see if maybe I can figure out tricks to it. But I mean, as of now, this was the product that I was kind of the least impressed by. And again, this retails for like $24. So I mean, you can get L'Oreal Lash Paradise for like $9 at the drugstore, and that's an amazing mascara. So I don't really know if you'd spend the extra money on a mascara that's just kind of so-so. Again, for this month, the retail value was over $130, and you only spend $21 on the subscription. So I mean, it's a great deal, especially if you want to kind of try out new products each month, because they do have so many brands that are included in the box. So I mean, that to me is totally worth it, to kind of get out of your comfort zone and find different brands that you might not have otherwise found. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. I'll have that video linked down below. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel as well as like that video. And remember, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up.